Hey everyone, we are in full swing right now. I went to my favorite supply store called Samhua here, and I saw these, and I'm like, oh, this is like some kind of wedding something or other. So it's really just kind of tacky. It's just two lovebirds in here, and we are going to goth them up. These are only $4, but what happens is I want to take them out and inspect them. Ugh, this is terrible. First thing is we have to strip them, and we're going to strip off this lace, and then we're going to get some ink and we're going to stain them, but I wanted to inspect the birds. Okay, first thing is first, I took the birds off of their mounts, and I discovered that they were hooked together with this horrible piece of bamboo something or other, and I definitely want to remove that. And I definitely want to remove this. So we're going to remount those. The first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to warm up my handy dandy glue gun. And I also have on a mask too. You can't see me with the mask on, but I'm worried about particle dust from this. I don't know where these have been, and so you should always be very cautious when you're working with stuff. You don't know where it's been from, so on and so forth, but let the glue gun warm up first, and then we're going to remount them on floral wire. I'm going to bend this in half, twist this, and ram it up inside. Next thing we want to do, we want to inject some of our hot glue into there. We're going to ram our wire up inside. There you go. Got right up inside there. Wow. That's hollow. Actually, it's a hollow foam. That's number one. Number two here. Right up inside. Going? No, I'm going to try the other side. There it goes. Let's get the other wire in there. There it is. Oh, and look what we did. Broke the bird. That's okay, because everything is fixable. Don't let that hold me back. Don't let those set. Right now what I have here is I'm using black ink, and I am staining my birds. If you really want to know, that is going to make a beautiful raven. So it stains feathers. It should stain feathers. If not, you're going to be painting the feathers. But yeah, I think that's kind of, maybe we'll see. Yeah, look at that. I hope to keep that little eyeball there. This eyeball's very clever. But let's finish this and see what this looks like once it's stained. Discovery was made. The ink went very well over the felt, but we have to use a permanent magic marker now to do the feathers, because the ink somehow just is coming off of the feathers. It's just not working, so we have to dye them with the permanent. I'm using a very large industrial permanent magic marker here. So let's see what both birds look like when they're done. Of our birds transformed into ravens. So nice. I used a little bit of acrylic 600 black paint for the beaks. So those are going to go into an arrangement now.